Hey everyone! If you're looking to secure your applications, replace your old VPN, or manage remote team access, Cloudflare Zero Trust is the industry gold standard. In 2026, the dashboard has been streamlined, but it can still be a bit tricky to find if you're coming from the standard Cloudflare view. Today, I'm showing you the exact path to access the Zero Trust portal on desktop. Let's get secured. Step 1. Log into the standard dashboard. First, head over to dash.cloudflare.com and log in with your usual credentials. You'll land on your main account home screen, where your domains are listed. This is the starting point for all Cloudflare services. Step 2. Locate the Zero Trust sidebar. Look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down past websites and registration. You are looking for the Zero Trust icon. It looks like a small shield. Click that, and a new tab or window will open. In 2026, Cloudflare hosts the Zero Trust dashboard on a separate subdomain to keep your security settings organized. Step 3. Select your plan. If it's your first time visiting, you'll be asked to choose a team name and then a subscription plan. On the Choose a Plan screen, you'll see several options ranging from Enterprise to Pay-as-you-go. Look for the free plan on the left. In 2026, this plan is incredibly generous, supporting up to 50 users and including basic access and gateway features. Click Select Plan under the Free column and hit Confirm. You'll now be taken directly into your active Zero Trust dashboard. And that is how you find the hidden security side of Cloudflare. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.